Hi, and welcome to another CDOCS Tip of the Day video. My name's Ross Infinger, and today's cone beam tip of the day, I'm going to go through how to create multiple virtual implant plans with SICAT Implant 2.0. So let's look at the video. We have a case here with a patient missing multiple teeth. We've come up with a first plan of segmented implant bridges. So if we want to create a second plan, we just go up to the gears settings next to plans and we select that, and now we can open up and create a new plan or a duplicate plan. So in this instance, I'm going to create a duplicate plan, and I'm going to go ahead and select to duplicate and open that second plan. And what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to add additional implants for the option of an all-on case. So let's go ahead and select those additional implants now, and we're going to go ahead and bring in an implant for the 28 site, and then we'll do another implant for the 30 site. So this would add additional implants and allow us to do a full arch all-on case, and we could review this with a patient with multiple options. Right, so now that we have all our implants virtually placed, we can go back and we can now toggle between the two duplicate plans. And you'll notice that we still have plan number 1 saved. That's the 4 implants. We can present this treatment plan to the option to the patient and still have the virtual plan there. And then we can easily switch back to our all-on plan just by selecting that second duplicate plan that we've created there. So just select the plan number 2, and we have both cases saved for us now. So I hope this was helpful for you to learn how to create multiple plans in SICAT Implant 2.0, and we'll see you for the next cone beam tip of the day. Thanks.